everyone, it's me, Handy Danny, and I'm coming to you with another video. I'm here in my daughter's room because it's the most quiet room in the house, and I wanted to show you a few things about your blinds, okay? So the first thing is, what is this thing right here for? A lot of people don't know. This right here is to, if you grab this, you'll grab both strings simultaneously to pull versus just the one string, okay? You have one string and it's not as strong pulling at one string, but if you grab this right here, this little knuckle, and you pull it, you get a little bit more leverage. But this video is about how to raise your blinds and how to lower your blinds. Believe it or not, I've been getting a lot of requests on this video, okay? So what you wanna do is, I'm a little close here, but in order to raise your blinds, you want to pull straight down, okay? And whenever you get to a desired height, you just let go and you see your blinds stay right there, okay? Now, if you wanna lower your blinds, all you wanna do is you wanna grab it here, come at a 45-degree angle, pull down slightly, and just keep the 45-degree angle. And as you can see there, the blinds start to go down. Now, if you want to get really courageous and stop at a certain level on the way down, all you do is just bring your string back to the center point and let go, and you see the blinds stop. But you pull again. Okay, I got my 45-degree angle. I'm going to just keep the 45-degree angle and let it down, and you can see that the blinds drop all the way down. Pretty simple, easy way to control your blinds the first time instead of wrapping your hand around the cord and doing all this crazy stuff. All right, give it a try. Let me know what you think. All right, goodbye.